Hello everyone. Okay, so we are trying to encourage everyone to share more content, and what we're focusing on today is going to be brows. So I am going to show you my daily routine for brows using the Color Me Beautiful brow powder in the shade Brunette. So as you can see, I've got them on right now. I'm going to take them off for you. I'm going to use one step and wipe them off, and I'll let you all watch me put them back on. All right, so there we go. As you can see, my brows are kind of a little lacking in the nature of fullness. So the brow powder works perfectly for me because I can build it up as much as I want or make it a very thin, fine kind of covering if that's what I'm going for the day. So I am going to go ahead and start with a lip brush that I have angled myself, disposable, good for safe application, for if you're doing clients and you can't reuse the same brush, which you never should be. So let's go ahead and get started. And I am double dipping, but this is my everyday brow powder, so make sure when you are with your clients, you never double dip. And you can see I kind of go lighter towards the inside. I don't want as much depth. I don't want a hard line going into the center of my face, but I do want kind of an established line down here at the bottom, and especially in the point and the arch. So go in and fill in just a little bit more where I feel I'm lacking. And voila, one brow done. You can see the difference. It makes a huge difference. It's just a little bit of powder, and it doesn't give you a fully painted on look because my eyebrows are still in there. It's just laying the powder gently underneath them, which is a great look for me. I don't like it when my eyebrows look too drawn on. I like a more natural look, but I do like them to be bold. And when I'm doing the tip, I like to use the pointy end of an angled brush. It just gives you that sharper, more defined point that you look for in a brow usually. And voila! I love this look for my everyday. It's super easy to put on, as you saw, very quick, but it gives you the natural yet full kind of look that most people are going for. You can follow it up with a concealer or a highlighter under the brow to make it really pop, as well as over the brow if that's what you're looking for. I don't particularly like that in my everyday, but that's just my preference. And it really makes them defined and brings out the shape of the brow when you do that, and you highlight right under there. So that is my brow tutorial. I hope you all have a great day.